Hunkydory has these wonderful little books, and they have just brought out 3. We've got Happy Hippos, Flower Children, and Thank Yous. But let me just show you the insides of one. All of them are 4 inches by 5 1/8. They all have 144 pages, and it's going to be 6 each of 24 designs. So let me just show you the designs in this one. So you can see that these are the flower children. They're not fairies, but they are little children with flowers and natural elements. So you can see, and these are printed single-sided and just sweet, sweet. So you certainly can take them and use them individually. You can also paper piece if you want to and lift certain elements up, and that will work. Christmas Rose. I think they're just charming. Very 1890s, I think. And as I said, 24 sheets, 24 designs. You're going to get 6 of each one. There's holly, hawthorn. So this is going to really span the whole year. Periwinkle, daisy, honeysuckle. And in addition, there are also some cutouts. And let me show you that. There's the sheet, but because you get 6 of them, you're going to end up with 126 cutouts. Very useful phrases also. To a dear friend, birthday wishes just for you, you're always in my thoughts. So that works nicely. So this is the Flower Children, the little book of Flower Children.